Hello students, today we'll discuss about Bohr's model. Actually, Bohr's model is required to remove the drawbacks of Rutherford's model. Actually, three assumptions are there in Bohr's model. Number one, according to Bohr's theory, electron cannot move around nucleus in all orbits. Only those orbits are selected where angular momentum of the electron, that is mvr, is equal to nh by 2 pi. M is mass of electron. V, velocity of electron. R, radius of electronic path. N is a positive integer. Its value may be 1, 2, 3, etc. H is Planck's constant. And pi equal to 22 by 7. So, the first assumption is that electron cannot revolve around nucleus in any chosen orbit. Only those orbits are selected where angular momentum of the electron mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. Number 2. Assumption number 2. When an electron revolves around nucleus in a particular orbit, it neither absorbs energy nor release any energy. So these orbits are called Bohr's stationary electronic orbit. Stationary electronic orbit. That means electron, when revolved in these orbits, it neither absorbs energy nor release energy. Point number 3. When an electron absorbs energy, it shifted from lower energy orbit to higher energy orbit. And when an electron jumps down from higher energy orbit to lower energy orbit, it emits the excess energy in the form of radiation. This can be written as this: E2 minus E1 equal to H into nu, where E2 is the energy of higher electronic orbit, E1 is the energy of lower energy orbit, H is Planck's constant, and nu is frequency of radiation. These are the three assumptions of Bohr's theory, which are very important in respect of atomic structure of theory. Now, we should consider the drawbacks of Bohr's theory. What are the drawbacks of Bohr's theory? Number 1. Bohr's theory is applicable for only one electronic system. One electronic system. Like hydrogen atom. like helium plus ion, like lithium plus 2 ion, etc. But for multi-electronic system, Bohr's theory is not applicable. So the first point is that Bohr's theory is applicable only for one electronic system like hydrogen atom, helium ion, lithium plus 2. Number 2, Bohr's theory cannot explain the multiple structure of spectral line. Multiple structure of spectral lines. This is also called fine structure. Bohr's theory cannot explain the multiple structure of spectral lines. Number 3, it cannot explain Stark effect or Zeeman effect. Bohr's theory cannot explain wave nature of electron. Actually, according to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, it is not possible to determine the exact position and momentum of electron simultaneously, but according to Bohr's theory, position and momentum of electron can be determined, which is wrong. So the wrong thing is that position and momentum of electron can be determined. Which is not possible. So these are the drawbacks of Bohr's theory. Sommerfeld later modified Bohr's theory to explain or to remove the drawbacks. Later we can discuss about that. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.